So another dilation to do. It's a dilation of a half again, and it's going to get smaller. All right, but what happens this time is I see a few odd numbers in there, and when I take a half of an odd number, I get a decimal, which I'm normally not going to get any decimals when I do these dilations and things, except when it's a 0.5. And that's kind of our rule with everything. We can deal with 0.5 pretty easily in most everything that we do. So when I end up with a 0.5, I don't want to necessarily rule it out. I want to look at it, make sure I did what's right, and then if I did, I can go ahead and actually do what it wants me to do. So let's plot the first one. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. And that's R, M, N. Okay, so there's the original. Now let's plot the new one. Now keep in mind, I've got 0.5, so it's going to be a little bit harder to do, but not impossible. So 1.52, so 1.5, 2, right about there. 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, which means I put M in the wrong spot. Hopefully somebody was saying, there's a point you put M in the wrong spot, even though I can't hear you. So M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So M should be over here. All right, so there's that. So now let's fix this last point that I missed. So 0, negative 1.5 should be right about there. When you have to graph something that's a negative, or sorry, a 0.5, all right, anything with a 0.5, use your estimating. So it doesn't need to be perfect. All right, so just get it close. Make sure it's kind of in the middle so people can tell what you're doing. So that triangle got half as big. All right, it's on there. All the points are plotted, all the points are labeled. Hopefully you're still doing that with all of your graphs so that you make sure you get maximum credit on things.